Pharmacy, Ballari, Jayamukhi College of Pharmacy, Akshaya Institute of Pharmacy, Sri Abhirami College of Pharmacy, Chennai, Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, and KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli, Karnataka. We are truly honored to have you join us today. This conference brings together brilliant minds from around the globe, united by a common goal. We will delve into the latest advancements and explore groundbreaking ideas through meaningful discussions. To start with today's session, I want all of you to show your excitement to kickstart with today's session. To begin with, today we have three guests to this series who will be giving welcome address for the 6th International Conference. Without further ado, firstly, I welcome Dr. S. Balamurali Mohan Sir, PharmD, PhD, first batch of PharmD graduate from Annamalai University, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. Currently, Sir is working as an associate professor, head of Department of Pharmacy Practice, Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Pharmacy, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Sir has 10 years of teaching experience and he is also a PhD scholar in Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, acting as an executive editor for the college newsletter Pharma Scout from 2018 to till date. Sir has also guided 25 plus academic projects till date for PharmD and BPharm candidates. Having 10 publications in various reputed international journals, he has also presented many research papers in various national and international conferences. Sir has acted as an evaluator for oral and poster presentations in many national and international conferences, acting as a reviewer for two international journals. He is also a conveyor for many webinars and conferences. He has organized various medical camps and health awareness sessions in many schools and colleges. Felicitated as a best teacher by Spurti Kutumbam, a spiritual, scientific, and humanitarian charitable trust on September 8, 2024 in Poti Sri Ramalu, Telugu University, Nampally, Hyderabad. With this brief introduction, I welcome you, sir, for this conference. Welcome, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your nice welcoming address. Can you please confirm, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah, thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished speakers who are going to join in this wonderful 1 month long conference. And most importantly, the bright minds of tomorrow, nothing but our aspiring PharmD professionals. A very good evening, everyone. And once again, thank you for the warm welcome. This is the second time I am being the part of RX Doctor's activities. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Bharat and his team for continuously organizing a meaningful sessions and conferences like this. It is a true honor and privilege to be here today at this prestigious gathering, a global platform dedicated to shaping the future of pharmacy, clinical research, and healthcare innovation. So being a PharmD graduate, so I feel I can talk and I can tell the aspiring PharmD professionals few words on this platform. As you all know that today we stand at the crossroads of science and service. The role of a doctor of pharmacy has never been more vital, not only in the delivery of medication, but also in direct patient care, clinical decision making, public health policy, and even technology driven solutions. You, you, the next generation of pharmacists, are entering one of the most dynamic, respected, and rapidly evolving fields in the healthcare. So today I just want to share a few reflections for you to carry forward on your journey. I just want to highlight few important things that we, of course, the upcoming families should follow in order to have a brighter future or career pathways. I believe the first important thing that every one of us should follow is we should all embrace the power of purpose, because pharmacy is not just a simple profession. Whether you are educating communities about health, optimizing therapeutic regimens, or participating in clinical trials which save lives, know that your knowledge is someone's hope. Again, I repeat, your knowledge is someone's hope. Please hold on to that purpose. It will keep you grounded amid challenges and uncertainties. Then the next important thing is we should always constantly evolve as a learner, because the world of medicine and healthcare never sleeps. I hope many of you have listened the artificial intelligence, pharmacogenomics, telepharmacy, all these kind of terms from last few years, saying that all these things are the future. But what is the present scenario now? All what is the present scenario? All these are no longer future concepts, because they are already a current practices. So that's why I always tell my students or anyone who are in the healthcare team, we should be curious. We should read beyond textbooks. We should attend conferences like this. We should engage globally. And I strongly believe that a true PharmD professional is a lifelong student. Then another important area is we should always make collaboration, because collaborations, because if you see, the healthcare is not any one individual's play. It's a team sport. We have to work in a team. We should work together. So your success is not only about what you know, but how well you are working with the, that may be physicians, nurses, any other healthcare people, and most importantly, the patients, because we should develop a proper communication and collaboration. So we should build relationships, not only a simple resumes. We should build relationships with every one of the persons who are in the healthcare, including the patients. Then we should all lead with integrity, because we hold the trust of individuals and communities in our hands. So we should never compromise on ethics, even when faced with competing priorities. Your integrity will be your greatest credential, which no degree or certification can replace it. That's why we all should lead the things with integrity. So as you navigate your path toward becoming impactful families, Remember that each one of you has the potential to redefine how pharmacy contributes to healthier societies. Conferences like this are not just stages for networking or building resumes. I believe that these conferences are like incubators of innovation, incubators of dialogues of the successful people, and incubators of dreams of the upcoming students or upcoming professionals like you. So, to the organizers, I extend my heartfelt congratulations once again for creating this global forum and trying to bring many, many healthcare professionals under one platform. So, to the mentors and educators present, thank you for shaping the torchbearers of tomorrow. And to the students and young professionals joining us from around the world, pursue excellence, dare to dream, and never underestimate the power of the difference you can make for tomorrow. So please, I just want all of you to remember all these things. And so let today mark the beginning of bolder ambitions, deeper insights, and stronger collaborations. This is what I just want to convey you today on this wonderful occasion. So with this, thank you once again for all the
Thank you so
and
much,
making
sir.
this happen. Yeah.
As sir rightly said, let's mark today and sir's words also. Thank you so much, sir. It's an honor we had you today and guiding the light for upcoming Farmdians through your talk. Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward to our next chief guest, we have Dr. Arin Natana ma'am. It is with great pride that we introduce today's distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Arin Natania, a dynamic and accomplished doctor of pharmacy with a remarkable track record in clinical research, pharmacology, and scientific communication. Dr. Areen is a graduate of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Paramedical Sciences, Coimbatore, and currently serves as a certified reviewer for esteemed publishers like Elsevier and Springer Nature, reviewing manuscripts in pharmacokinetics, precision medicine, and public health. She has held pivotal roles, including project associate at CMC Vellore, where she worked on pulmonary research and patient-centered drug protocols, and senior researcher at Learn by Research, contributing to the development of high-impact publications. As a lead writer and health educator, MAM has played a crucial role in awareness initiatives, especially those integrating AI tools in personalized patient care. Ma'am is also a patent holder with 6 innovations in medicinal chemistry and has authored over 19 research articles. Her exceptional writing earned her the Best Author of the Year award from the Center for Health Education. She has collaborated internationally with institutions like the University of Princeton, focusing on asthma and drug delivery models, and has presented at several national and international conferences. Her skill set spans project management, clinical pharmacy, hospital policy, AI in healthcare, and regulatory affairs. With training from Johns Hopkins and Stanford School of Medicine, she continues to lead and inspire across multiple domains. Today, she joins us not only as a researcher and educator, but as a true role model for aspiring professionals. With this warm welcome, I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you for this very warm welcome. I'm really humbled And I thank RX doctors for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk to the students. My dear students, respected dignitaries, faculty, and speakers, good evening, one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yeah, thank you. It is truly an honor to be here today as the guest of honor for this prestigious conference. Moments like this remind us that science is not only built in laboratories, it is also built in gathering of minds, in conversation that crosses borders, and in the courage to ask new questions, explore, and come back from failures. We are in an era where the landscape of pharmacy and healthcare is evolving faster than ever. Pharmacists are rapidly moving from traditional dispensing to clinical decision making and therapy management. As we all know, and as Sir mentioned, artificial intelligence, pharmacogenomics, precision medicine are not future dreams, they are today's reality. And yet, amidst all this innovation, one truth never changes. Our ultimate purpose is to protect and enhance human life, first by being a human, by holding human values, and then by inculcating whatever you study during your PharmD course. Every prescription verified, every adverse reaction prevented, every study published is ultimately about a person's story, their life, their hope. Before I continue, I must share something very personal. My journey with SYCCON goes back to 2 years, and every time, whenever I feel like coming home to a family of curious minds, this is the place. I still remember my first SYCCON experience. I was expecting a conference, but I found a space, a movement where young pharmacy students didn't just listen, they also challenged, they also collaborated, they created together, they started exploring, they started asking questions. And my experience has been especially meaningful because of Dr. Bharat and his team, whom I've had the privilege to call a good acquaintance for the past years. I have witnessed their passion for pharmacy and education grow from a vision into this inspiring platform that now connects students, clinicians, and innovators from all over. SYCON is not just an event, it is a beacon for what pharmacy can become in the hands of passionate minds like our students. Dear students and future leaders of healthcare, the PharmD journey is more than a degree. It is a bridge between medicine and humanity. Across the world, PharmD professionals are taking center stage in clinical care. As we know, in the Western countries, they are on ward rounds, managing therapy and ensuring medication safety. And also in India, we quite have such opportunities to bring our clinical care to the patients. We are just stepping into this exciting era. It has all just begun. But yes, we do face some challenges like limited awareness of our clinical value, limited awareness of our degree, underutilization of us in the hospitals, weak academia, industry, and other collaborations. But remember, every gap is an opportunity. Your generation can redefine what PharmD will mean in the next decade. It is all in your hands. If I were to give you a roadmap to success, it would have 5 steps. Build deep clinical knowledge, master pharmacotherapy, evidence based medicine, its practice, your clinical guidelines, pharmacokinetics, and therapeutic drug monitoring. Join your ward rounds and become the voice for safe medication use. Observe, listen, ask questions, and learn more. Let your skills be developed beyond your books. Strengthen research and publishing skills. Get involved in case studies. Go see yourself in clinical trials. Get involved in pharmacovigilance projects. Get involved in research methodology. Understand data analysis. Try to interpret results and data from the research papers. Read more articles. Aim to publish at least one paper while you're as a student It can open doors worldwide. Embrace technology and innovation. We all know that we will not be able to live without technology anymore. Learn AI in healthcare. Try to understand the codings. Try to learn the basics of codings and other cutting edge technologies. The application of AI, the application of machine learning, the application of robotics in healthcare, and also clinical decision support making, and also pharmacoinformatics. Imagine a future where your knowledge and technology can together save lives and also be a smart worker. Instead of going through all the hard work, maybe you can adopt technology everywhere that is feasible for you, along with integrity and ethics. Develop communication and leadership. Knowledge alone is not enough. You should know how to interpret your knowledge, how to present your knowledge to others. You must be heard, present cases, educate patients, and influence therapy decisions. And also seek global exposure. Attend workshops, pursue online certifications and internships. I would prefer internships and workshops. Collaborate, network with people, and learn what a common man really expects out of your services. Try to understand your user experience. Try to learn from them. Study current trends, do some market research, and be up to date about a particular field that you like, that you want to keep pursuing in the long run. See pharmacy across borders and bring that vision home. These 5 steps are your bridge from a student of pharmacy to a global healthcare leader. Your white coat is not just a uniform, it is a promise that every patient you touch will be safer because of you. The world needs pharmacists who are not just spectators but pioneers, those who blend science with compassion and knowledge with action. I leave you with a few words of Louis Pasteur. Chance favors the prepared mind. Be curious, be explorative, try, experiment it. Use your failures as your stepping stone and keep networking, keep learning from your mistakes. That will get you somewhere. And there is also another quote that I want you to know: do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Put yourself in a patient's perspective, in a user's perspective, and try to understand what you want a PharmD professional to bring to you. Then maybe you will be able to broaden your idea for what you want to do for others. So prepare your mind, prepare your heart, and the world will have no chance but to recognize you. I once again congratulate the SYCCON team for igniting curiosity, courage, and collaboration. May this conference transform not just knowledge but lives. Thank you, and I wish this event a remarkable success. Thank you.
Your guidance lights the path for family students to grow not just as professionals, but as a purposeful contributors to the healthcare team. I also thank for sharing your experience in SYCCON. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words mean a lot to us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Moving forward, it is with a great honor that we welcome our next distinguished guest of honor for today, Dr. Sri Vishwapal Shivakumar, a passionate and dedicated healthcare professional who currently serves as a team leader and critical care clinical pharmacist. Sir has completed his Doctor of Pharmacy from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Pharmacy from Coimbatore, where he has consistently demonstrated academic excellence and clinical insight. Currently, at Sri Ramakrishna Hospital, he plays a critical role in clinical interventions, antimicrobial stewardship, dosage adjustments, patient counseling, and many more. He has actively participated in NABH and nursing excellence audits. His focus on improving medication safety and therapeutic outcomes speaks volumes about his commitment to excellence in healthcare. Dr. Vishwapal is not only skilled in direct patient care but has also made significant contributions in clinical documentation, operational planning, and community education. His dynamic involvement in digital health education through platforms in Medroin further highlights his vision to modernize healthcare through innovation. With a combination of hands-on experience, academic rigor, and leadership in pharmacy practice, Dr. Sri Vishwapal Shivakumar truly represents the emerging face of clinical pharmacy in India. Let us warmly welcome him today as a speaker for this inauguration session. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for your wonderful greetings. And yeah, so so all the dignitaries, speakers, and my dear students, a warm good evening for everyone. And yeah, so I've been traveling with. So before that, I just wanted to thank Dr. Bharat and his team, RX Doctor team, for giving this opportunity to be in front of you, to encourage you, and to share my knowledge on PharmD as a clinical pharmacist in front of all the students. And I've been traveling with SYCCON for the last three series, and something which I am so honored, and uh, I wanted to tell that SYCCON is a different conference where they do conferences one for the benefit of the students, not for the benefit of their own self. You could see many conferences where they'll be they ask you to pay money for the conference, and then you'll be able to attend it. But this is different. This SYCCON is totally different from other conferences where they for the last six series they provided a conference for free, just for the students to get more to encourage in their knowledge, to grow in their knowledge thing. So yeah. And before moving, actually my two dignitaries, my two seniors, Dr. Bala Murli sir and Dr. Aaron Natania ma'am, who have discussed many things about PharmD graduates, means things what to be done after PharmDs. And I don't have much to discuss because they have mostly covered all the things. But still, from the clinical side, I just wanted to tell all the students regarding what should be done in the further future and what to be done now, so that you will be a better clinical pharmacist. Before that, as Dr. Bala Murali sir has mentioned about the collaboration, which is actually very much needed for our profession, because our profession as a clinical pharmacist is a new profession, and it's in a growing phase. So always we need to have a collaboration with other healthcare profession for being to play a major to make a big impact in the healthcare system. And one thing which Dr. Aaron Atenia ma'am has said is, we play the bridge between medicine and humanity. Actually, that's actually a true statement. So we are the bridge between the medicine and also the humanity. So I've been there as a clinical pharmacist for the past 2.5 years. The position or the respect or the way everyone treats us before was totally different when compared to when compared now. And our work has been increasing day by day. So many doctors and many consultants and other healthcare professions are depending on us in the way that in before prescribing any medication. So the clinical pharmacy profession is actually it's in growing phase, and it's not in the ground level for now. It has been gone to a second or third level. And as a PharmD interns and PharmD students, I just wanted everyone who is attending this conference conference to have their strong dedicated effort. Sorry, a strong dedicated effort towards your clinical pharmacy side, because from my team and from my seniors, I have learned many things, and they have so we have created some we have done some groundworks, and we have brought this profession to a limelight for now, but we need to bring to gather this limelight to our next level. And for those approaches, we definitely need the future PharmD new for PharmD interns or PharmD students who's going to get passed out in the future. And one thing which I wanted to tell again for the PharmD students is, so whatever we are studying in PharmD syllabus is totally different when compared to your clinical practice. So many difficulties which has been faced by me in my clinical rounds. One such difficulty is the administration technique, so which we lack in our syllabus. So I would always ask the pharmacy students to go for the rounds with the clinical pharmacist. If your college is provided with enough facilities, just make use of it, because we never studied about any IV lines or IV sites in our PharmD syllabus, and administration techniques we never studied, and the dilution part. Those are the major things which we play a major role in the healthcare setting. So I would always ask the students to go for your clinical rounds with your clinical firms, not with your consultants, but with your clinical firms, because they are experienced person in clinical side, and they know what to be done and what not to be done with the drugs, because we are masters in drugs, right? So we study drugs, we study pharmacology for 3 years, with in which any other course does study about pharmacology for the 3 years, right? And the second thing is the communication. So initially I faced many difficulty in this communication, because the doctors, the consultants, or any other healthcare professions, they are very much senior to me, and if I had any doubt, if I had any interventions, I was not able to go directly and talk with them, because we don't have much kind of communication practice in our colleges. So the communication gap is actually a bit it's so difficult to come up and cope up with. So start communicating with yourself and start communicating with other professions from now, so that you'll be pro while you're doing your clinical pharmacy job. And and the third one is certification conferences. So from the PharmD syllabus, I won't tell that PharmD syllabus is something which is useless or something like that. So it from the syllabus point, you have to learn things from the basics. So you have to strengthen your basics. Your syllabus is totally strengthens your basics, but uh, for the current guidelines and current updates, you have to join these kind of conferences, so that they provide the current updates and guidelines. Make use of all the free certifications which has been available in online, because those are certification which, from those certifications, you will be able to learn many things, many new things which you never been taught in your college. So and the fourth thing is publication. So we do master in publication, right? So we have studied about statistics, we have a syllabus in statistics, and something which we excel in is for publication. So publish as many as articles you could be able to, publish as much of case report, do case series, and if possible go for clinical research things, so that those things will be helpful for others who wants to know things from other institute or other point of view. And yeah, thank you so much. And that's it. I wanted to share my thoughts about your future PharmD endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing us with your presence and sharing your insights. Your words has ignited a sense of direction and responsibility in our journey as future pharmacists. Thank you so much, sir. Before ending today's session, I would like to inform about tomorrow's agenda, that is day third of SYCCON series. We have two speakers, Dr. Manoj Kumar and Dr. Nadine, who will be delivering on the topic Modeling Your Future Career in Pharmacometrics, bridging care, effective collaboration between physician and clinical pharmacists in India and healthcare. I hope you all will join for tomorrow's session with the same courage. Lastly, I would like to thank all the guests of honor for today's session and all the participants for joining us today. Thank you one and all. Have a good day.